Assalamu alaikum. Class ESIT 4, subject organization behavior. Topic definition of organization behavior. Second, organization effectiveness. Third, contributing field to organization behavior. इसमें चंद फील्ड हैं: साइकोलॉजी, सोशियोलॉजी एंड पॉलिटिकल साइंस, सोशल साइंसेज, एंथ्रोपोलॉजी। लेक्चर नंबर 2 है और मैं अपना तारुफ करता हूँ। मेरा नाम प्रोफेसर दिलशाद अहमद। अब हम डेफिनेशन की तरफ आते हैं। डेफिनेशन ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल बिहेवियर। Organizational behavior is a field of study that investigates the impact that individuals, groups, and organizational structure have on behavior within the organization for the purpose of applying such knowledge towards improving an organizational effectiveness. Organizational effectiveness. The above definition has 3 main elements. Number 1, organizational behavior is an investigative study of individual and groups. Second, the impact of organizational structure on human behavior. Third, the application of knowledge to achieve organizational effectiveness. Stephen P. Robbins की definition. Organizational behavior is a systematic study of the actions and attitudes that people accept within the organization. Contributing field to organizational behavior. Number 1, psychology. Psychology is an applied science which attempts to explain human behavior in a particular situation and predicts actions of individuals. Various psychologists tests are conducted in the organizations for selection of employees, measuring attitudes and attributes. Various other dimensions of human personality are also measured. These instruments are scientific in nature and have been finalized after a great deal of research. Sociology. Science of sociology studies the impact of culture on group behavior and has contributed to a large extent to the field of group dynamics, role that individual plays in the organization, communication, norms, status, power, conflict management, formal organization theory, group processes, and group decision making. Political science. Political science has contributed to the field of organization behavior. Stability of government at national level is one major factor for promotion of international businesses, financial investments, expansion, and employment. Various government rules and regulations play a very decisive role in growth of the organization. Next, social psychology. Working organizations are formal assembly of people who are assigned specific jobs and play a vital role in formulating human behavior. It is a subject where concepts of psychology and sociology are blended to achieve better human behavior in organization. The field has contributed to manage change, group decisions making, communication, and ability of people in organization to maintain social norms. Anthropology. Last one. It is also a field of study relating to human activities in various cultural and environmental frameworks. It understands difference in behavior based on value system of different cultures of various countries. The study is more relevant to organizational behavior today due to globalization, mergers, and acquisition of various industries. Environment studies conducted by the field of anthropology aims to understand organizational human behavior so that acquisition and mergers are smooth. Organizations are bound by its culture that it forms by human beings. Thanks for watching and listening this lecture. Our next topic will be the model for organizational efficiency. Thanks.